Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom app virtual backgrounds option not showing. So after the update, the latest update of the Zoom app or Zoom Workplace, the result is fixed minor bugs, of course, and also there are no more virtual background option on the meeting settings. You cannot set your virtual background now on this meeting settings in the meeting option here. So there are no how you can set virtual background, but you can only set your virtual background when you already join meeting or start new meeting. So please make sure you update your Zoom via Play Store or App Store. Here you can try to search Zoom, and Zoom Workplace you can update. Last update is 29 September 2024. So let's get back to the app. Now, in order to change or access virtual background option, you can try to join meeting or start new meeting. There is a toolbar or taskbar at the bottom. You can try to search apps. You can tap apps now. There are some option here that you can try. One of the option is virtual backgrounds. So how you can set virtual backgrounds on Zoom app or virtual background option now showing on apps. No more on the meeting settings. So you can tap on virtual backgrounds. Now virtual background is are powered by pixels, become a third party. There are total 4 categories that you can try: nature, interiors, art, and travel. For example, you can try to tap on your favorite background. Here you can simply tap on set backgrounds. If you encounter error, please try again more and more, and make sure you have a good internet connection. And in order to make it blur, you can try to tap 3 dot beside search filter. Here there is a blur option that you can set. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.